Real estate investors, wouldn't it be nice if you didn't have to pay a commission to a realtor or a wholesaler when you acquired your next property? Right now, as you watch this video, there's tens of thousands of fix and flippers just like you that are wasting tens of thousands of dollars on the middleman simply because you don't know quick wholesaling techniques that they use to get the properties dirt cheap. You will save $10,000 or more when you use the techniques that I'm going to show you in my next 3-day challenge. I'm Leanne Ferguson, the CEO of Simple REI, and I could say without a doubt that wholesaling techniques changed my life. When I got started in real estate, I was in New York and I was in the middle of 2 deals, and then my grandmother died, and immediately I had to fly to Florida to take care of my grandfather who had Alzheimer's. He was left with nobody. When I left New York, I also left several prearranged appointments for me to go look at properties to make offers on, and then I was forced to do it remotely. I'm sure many of you can relate to being forced to do things remotely during the pandemic, so it shouldn't be that hard to believe that you can do real estate deals remotely as well. As you know, there's lots of real estate investors in Dubai and China who have never stepped foot in America and do a lot of real estate deals here. So why can't you do it remotely too? Doing real estate deals remotely is just one technique that I use, but finding your next house for your next wholesale or rehab project is very important, and I'm going to help you do that. In fact, I've bought houses without qualifying for a mortgage and without a down payment, and I'm going to show you how to do that too. One of our recent students named Abigail made $14,000 on her first deal with us this month, and now you get to speak to her because she's joined my team. In this 3-day challenge, that you will make $10,000 more than you did on your last deal. Seats to this 3-day virtual challenge is limited because we want to make sure that we have enough staff to offer unlimited one-on-one support. So come join us and have fun. To join the challenge so that you never have to wait for your next flip again, click the link below or in the comment section and sign up. I look forward to seeing you.